Okay, for this week's weekly writing project, you're going to click on assignments here, and then we will scroll all the way down to the bottom. And this week's writing project is the short research essay. You seemed to like this last week. A bunch of you handed this in, and it looked like you had a good time. So I'm going to continue with this. We do have to do short research essays. That is our district goal for this quarter. We've done 2 so far and a little historical fiction. I think you'll have fun with this. You're going to figure out, is technology making our world better or worse? You pick a side. I'd like you to research online this topic and see if you can come up with a scientific study that has some proof of whether it's making our life better or worse, and see if you can come up what you can come up with. You only have to come up with one. Just make sure you cite your resource somewhere on your paper. You only have to do one. You can do more. I'd like you to try to stick it to 5 paragraphs. I know some of you go more, some of you go less. If you do the other 2 assignments, the spelling and the grammar, you can go less. But if you don't do spelling and grammar, I'd like you to just stick with the 5 paragraphs. I think you'll have fun with this week. Make it like an argumentative essay or opinion piece like we did in January, February, and March. You've got a lot of practice with that, and you can debate this issue, and you can put a little research into it and what the scientists say. Very timely for our time away from school on technology. Have fun with it.